Every day, millions of oranges travel from farms to factories to become fresh juice enjoyed worldwide. Today, we take you inside a orange processing factory to see how fresh oranges are cleaned, fresh, filtered, and bottled. Fresh oranges are arrived in large trucks from farms. Workers inspect them to remove damaged fruit and leaves. Oranges are washed with clean water to remove dirt, dust, and pesticides. Machines sort oranges by size and quality using sensors. High pressure extractor squeeze oranges to release fresh juice. The juice is filtered to remove seeds and control plump levels. Juice is generally heated to kill bacteria and extended shelf life. Juice is cooled and stored in stainless steel tanks. Automated machine fill, cap, and seal bottles. Bottles are labeled, boxed, and prepared for delivery. From farm to bottle, every step ensures fresh, safe, and delicious orange juice.